Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will explain one of the technical indicators in the Sentiment Trader Backtest Engine version 2.0, the Bollinger Bands indicator, and demonstrate how to use the indicator to create backtesting. Bollinger Bands is a technical analysis tool that measures the market volatility and the relative position of the price. It consists of three lines: the center line, the upper line, and the lower line. The center line is usually the 20-day moving average of the price, but you can adjust the time period according to the market characteristics. The upper line is the center line plus 2 times the standard deviation of the price fluctuation, and the lower line is the center line minus 2 times the same standard deviation. The channel formed by the three lines is called Bollinger Bands. A common strategy of Bollinger Bands is to buy when the price closes above the lower line, indicating an oversold opportunity, and to sell when the price closes below the upper line, indicating an overbought risk. We can use the new version of Sentiment Trader's Backtesting Engine version 2.0 to simulate trading performance based on historical data. Now, we move on to setting up the backtest. Let's get started by selecting SPX as our symbol. Then, to make the test more realistic for real-time trading, change the trade price to next open and change the backtest period to 20-year. This means we will long SPX at the opening price of the next day over the past 20 years when the entry conditions are met. After that, you have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default one provided. Under Entry Criteria, click on the Type drop-down menu and select Technical Indicator. Then, move to the Indicator drop-down menu, search for and select Bollinger Bands, and then choose Symbol Close Cross Above Low Band. Under Exit Criteria, select Technical Indicator and choose Bollinger Bands as the indicator and Symbol Close Above High Band. This way, we can buy in the oversold area, sell in the overbought area, and follow the market momentum to trade. In the Sentiment Trader Backtest Engine version 2.0, the default period for Bollinger Bands center line is 20 days. You can adjust the period by selecting Bollinger Bands on the chart and clicking the settings icon. You can also change the upper and lower lines by changing the multiplier of the standard deviation. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. In the Summary tab, you'll find an overview of the backtest results. The Trades tab will give you detailed information on each trade. And if you're interested in seeing trade outcomes for various exit times, check out the Exit with Default Time in Market tab. You can also visualize and interpret all this data with the help of various charts. You have learned how to use the Backtest engine to recreate the backtest of Bollinger Bands. This is a powerful tool that can help you improve your trading skills. I encourage you to try it out for yourself and see what you can discover. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at admin@sentimenttrader.